Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class, and we started a new lesson, and that is basic geometrical ideas, and that is your 9th chapter from geometry section, and we have discussed already arithmetic lesson, that is knowing our numbers. This is your 9th chapter. The next lesson, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, that I will teach you later. So in previous videos you have learned the point, line segment, ray, and I have discussed some examples from your exercise 9.1. Then in what about today's class? In today's class we are going to discuss about plane, intersecting lines, collinear points, co-current lines, parallel lines. So let us discuss about plane. What is this? Plane. Then what is this plane? Plane means, see here, every object has its surface. So just see this book, it has flat surface. Now whatever I am doing this is the flat surface. Just take this duster. Yes, the duster is there. No, it is the what? Surface or plane. This is called a plane of the object. So every solid object has its plane surface. It has its surface, and there are two types of planes. One is plane surface and one more is curved surface. Just take a ball and see its surface is curved and its surface is plane. So here, for example, the blackboard, the tabletop, a page of a maths book, and the base of a cylinder, all are planes. A plane is never ending and can extend indefinitely in all the direction. See here, so this is the what? Plane. I hope you understood this. What is this plane? Plane means every object has its surface, and there are two types of planes. One is curved and one more is plane. One is curved and one more is plane surface. One is flat surface. Yes, see, this is flat is there, no? Flat surface. One is flat surface and one more is curved surface. So here this is about plane. Okay, here one more point will come, and that is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. So just see here, these are two lines. This is M and this is L, and they meet at a point. Yes, this is line M and this is line L. Already I cleared what is this line and what is this line segment. Line means it moves both the direction endlessly, and here the M and L lines will intersect at point O. So this type of figures we are calling intersecting lines. This type of lines we are calling intersecting lines. See here, from one point we can draw so many what? Lines. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, in your book that is, remember, an infinite number of lines can be passed through a given point. A infinite number of lines can be passing through the given line. I hope you are getting my point. So let us take it as a line B, C, D, E, and they meet at a point O. From one point we can draw so many lines, infinite number of lines. So see here, there M and line L is there, they intersect at point, and this type of lines we are calling intersecting lines. And one more thing I will clear you, from one point we can draw infinite number of lines. Okay, so here this is about intersecting lines. Here one more concept will come, and that is collinear points. What? Collinear points. Collinear points. Yes, collinear points. Collinear points means, see here, I will draw here one line, and here some more I am drawing here points. Yes, they all are there in one line only and in collinear points. See, they all are there in one plane. 3 or more points in a plane are said to be collinear if they are on the same line. In the other words, points lying on the same line are called collinear points. One more time I will repeat. Points lying on the same line. Points lying on the same line are called collinear points. So I will name it as A, B, C, D, E. See here, I have discussed here plane, intersecting lines and collinear points. Collinear points means they are lying on the same line. See here, points lying on the same line are called collinear points. Not 1 and 2, more than 2. If they are lying on the same line, then they said to be collinear points. Okay. Next here, co-current lines will come. What? Co-current lines. Co-current lines. Co-current lines. See here, 2 points are there. Here 2 points are there and I will join together. Yes, this is one line and here 1 point is there and here 1 point is there and here many lines are passing. Many lines are passing through this point. Okay, so this type of lines we are calling what? Co-current lines. What? Co-current lines. And where they meet, no, for that we are calling point of co-currency. We are calling it as a point of co-currency. I will take this point as a and I will take this point as a B. And here many L, M, N, this all lines are passing through these points. So this type of lines we are calling co-current lines. See here, this all will help you in future, very helpful in future. See here, while explaining the teachers directly, they will tell you collinear points. That time you have to know what is this collinear points, what is this plane, what is this intersecting lines. Okay, so here I taught plane, intersecting lines, collinear points, co-current lines. Here one more concept will come and that is parallel lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines. So what are these parallel lines? Have you ever seen the railway track? Yes, see here, this is the railway track. Yes, now whatever I am drawing now, this is a railway track and just see its bars. They never intersect each other. You move, extend both the direction, but they never intersect each other. Just see this duster and see its edges. Have they intersect? No, they never intersect each other. So this type of lines we are calling what? Parallel lines, and they maintain the same distance. See here. Here one line is there and this one line is there. See, they are parallel lines? No. Why? Because the distance is not same. The parallel lines always maintain the same distance. So this is a parallel line. This is a parallel line and this is also a parallel line. I hope you are getting my point. Parallel lines means that never meet ever meet, however for they are extended are called parallel lines. Parallel lines are there, no, they never intersect each other and they always maintain the same distance. So this is about some concept that is plane, intersecting lines, co-current lines, collinear points and parallel lines. So let us take some examples from your exercise and that is 9.1 and I will solve here fourth main question. Yes, fourth main question. So here first one is identify the pair of parallel lines in the following figures. Identify the pair of parallel lines in the following figures. So let us take one example. I will take here this, the first example, and they named it as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Yes, see here, A, B, C, D is there. No, then tell me here how many parallel lines are there? Yes, A, B, C, D. A, B, and this is the symbol of parallel lines. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. By observing you can tell this is parallel or no. Already you know parallel lines, they never intersect each other and they always maintain the same distance. So again one more parallel line is there, that is AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to DC. Yes, AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. So this type you have to solve the examples. Okay. See here there is no addition, no subtraction, no multiplication. Just you have to observe the figures. Then if the concepts are clear, then you can solve this examples. So here one more is there, that is yes, and they named it as a L, M, N, O, P, Q. So tell me here how many parallel lines are there? Yes, just observe this. Yes, see here LM is parallel to PO, MN is parallel to QP, NO is parallel to LQ. So how to write this? LM is parallel to PO, this line, this line. MN is parallel to QP. MN is parallel to QP. Next, here one more LM over MN over. Next one more is there. NO is parallel to LQ. NO is parallel to LQ. This writing symbol is also important. So this is the symbol of what? Parallel lines. So here few more examples are there. Try to solve that examples. Here one more figure is there. Okay, and they written as a E, F, G, H and I. Tell me here how many parallel lines are there? Only one parallel line is there, that is EF is parallel to IH. EF is parallel to IH. This and this, they are not parallel lines because they are already intersected here. Okay, so this is about what? Parallel lines. Here how many 5 examples are there? Among them I have solved 3, remaining you do as a homework. And here one more topic is there, that is state whether the following statements are true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. So here the first question is, parallel lines always maintain the same distance between them. Yes, just now I told, see here parallel lines always maintain the same distance. So the first true or false is there, no, that is true. Yes, that is true. Collinear points can lie on parallel lines. Yes, see here just now I told these are what? Collinear points. Collinear points are there, no, they will lie in a line. So see here collinear points are there, no. See here the question is there, collinear points can lie on parallel lines. Not only on parallel lines, they can lie here also. So that statement is false. Two lines that do not intersect are called co-current lines. Two lines that do not intersect are called co-current lines. That is false because the co-current lines always intersect each other. So this is fifth one and fourth one. In previous class I discussed first main, second main and third main. Fourth main I hope you understood. Fifth main I solved. And here one more is there. Sixth main, how many line segments are there in each of the following figures? So let us take line segment. Yes, and they named it as A, B, C. So just see the difference here. They given end point, means this is line segment. Then tell me how many line segments are there? AB and BC. AB and BC. Here one more figure they given. Yes, and they named it as A, B, C, D, E. Then tell me how many line segments are there. Here so many are there. See, AB, AC, AD, AE. Line segments again, BC, CD, DE. So they all are what? Line segments. Again there here BD, CD, CE, they all are there. How many line segments are there in each of the following, and name all of them it is there. So just do how I have wrote, no, the same you have to follow here also. And there one more example is there, C1, that you do as a homework. See here, while solving this you must and should use pencil, rubber and ruler. Okay, write systematically in your fair book. There is no need to make any drawing book. You can write in same book, and same you do the continuation also. Okay, so here one more question is there. Mark the following points on a sheet of a paper. How many line segments can be drawn in each case? 2 points. So here I am solving 7th main. What is that? That is 7th main, and the question is 2 points A and B. 2 points A, comma B. Yes, here question is there. Mark the following points on a sheet of a paper. How many line segment can be drawn in each case? So 2 points A and B means how many line segment I can draw here? Only 1. How many? 1. So here 4 points such that no 3 of them belong to the same line. Yes, 4 points such that no 3 of them belong to the same line. See here, so I will take this is first one. So next I am solving here C1, 4 points. They are not belong to a same line, and you can draw this type. See here this, and next you draw this and name it as A, B, C, D. So here I can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 line segments I can draw here. Okay, so see here 7th main, among them I have solved 2, remaining you do as a homework, and try to solve 8, 9, 10 main also. Very easy concepts are there. See here, solve exercise 9.1 neatly and send to my personal number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.